I've just picked up this little beauty from Maeving. It's a Maeving RM1, a really cute little electric bike. It's got a top speed of 45 miles an hour and it costs just under £5,000. But the thing that really attracts me to this bike is the styling of the thing. It's based on a 1920s board tracker and it just looks so cool. Board tracking was really popular in America in the 20s, and it was based in an oval. The embankments at the sides were really steep and lined with boards, hence the name. It died out when the 30s arrived and the Great Depression because the board tracks were really expensive to maintain. But it did give birth to the Wall of Death. And that's something that's really close to my heart. It's something that I do have a little bit of experience riding. What makes today even more special is the fact that I am off to the Triumph Visitors Centre to go and take part in a Guinness World Record attempt for the world's largest female biker meet. And I cannot wait. There's expected to be about 2,000 lady bikers there. So let's get on the road. I am really overwhelmed. I didn't even know there was this many lady riders. It's absolutely incredible. It makes me actually a little bit emotional, which is a bit ridiculous to say. But yeah, it's just fantastic. I didn't expect it to be this big. Phenomenal. Thank you. We have arrived. We have arrived in droves. It's still really early on in the morning and there's already hundreds of women here. I am number 600 odd, and since I came in, they've just not stopped. They just keep coming. You know, the little Maeving's causing quite a stir already, which is really great to see. And yeah, what a turnout. Incredible. Now I'm going to get some ladies to come and have a sit on this bike and see what they think of it. Loads of people have approached me already. I think something that makes it really friendly to women is the seat height. Loads of people have been coming up and asking if they can have a sit on this. So I think that is what we've got to do.
The whole aim of it is to raise the profile of female bikers. You'll know yourself, getting kit, it's really difficult. Getting bikes that fit as well is really difficult. So we thought, well, let's raise the profile of female bikers in a fun way.
You know what, you have so done that today.
Oh, thank you.
It sounds ridiculous, but I was welling up when I was in the queue.
A lot of people are being quite emotional. I mean, it is quite emotional when you see how many women are coming together for this.
I think it's crazy how many people have sort of come out of the woodwork. I am amazed at how many people are here. Do you think we're going to smash the record?
We already broke it. So the record was 1,132. We've already done it.
Woohoo!
So now we want to get.
Whoa.
So now we want to get to 2,000.
Not only have I come to an amazing event, I'm also here on a really great little bike. I love this Maeving, and lots of the other ladies have been loving it as well. One of the big things that attracts the girls to this bike is the low seat height. It's really friendly and it's super accessible. The other big feature that everyone seems to love is the fact that it's got 2 batteries that you can actually take out of the bike and just charge up at home. You just plug it into your normal plug in the house. There's no need for like roadside charging or any of that nonsense. So all in all, great little bike, really accessible, and a really great starter bike as well. Now I have just noticed one of my friends arrive over there, so we're going to have a catch up. It's nice to see you. How are you doing?